Alright guys, a rebound is a new relationship that someone enters shortly after a breakup, often before they fully heal from the previous one. Sometimes people get into a rebound relationship to distract themselves from the pain, loneliness, or heartbreak. That's me guys. Kaka-breakup ko lang ngayon lang kasi nahuli ko ang GF ko, nag-cheat pala sa akin, kaya pumunta sa Bataan. Aray ko. Sige na guys, let's go. Let us sing this. What's up everyone? Welcome to my vlog. Today I'll be singing Rebound by Scarlett Clee. Sana magustuhan nyo ang simple cover nito. Let's go. Silent. Wala eh. Ang bilis naman magsawa ng puso mo. Ganyan ka ba talaga? Bigla na lang naglalaho. Para bang walang nangyari, di mo man lang sinabi. Sana'y hindi na lang pinilit pa, wala rin matutuhan kahit sabihin ko pa mahal kita. Hindi ko pa yata kaya pa labanan ang damdamin ko. Nakakainis talaga